We all know about what is meant by the intelligence. It's nothing but the smart technology. By using the smart technology, making our substations and using the smart technology so that we can improve the efficiency and can overcome the disadvantages that we are having with the traditional substations that we are using nowadays. As here itself we have written the objective, and intelligent substation often referred to as a smart substation. As already I have said, intelligent substation is nothing but making our traditional substation more smart by using the smart technology that we are having nowadays. Smart substation is a modernized electrical substation that incorporates advanced technology for monitoring. Advanced technology, the technologies which we are, for example, when it comes to me, the example that I am going to give you is previous we all have the substations that are normal substations, but nowadays we have overcome that with the gas insulated substations, and we are replacing those AIS with the GIS, gas insulated substations, so that we can reduce the equipment space and all, and flexibility, and can also increase the efficiency. That's the one of the example. And then control and communication purpose, and these substations are designed to enhance the efficiency, reliability and safety of power distribution system. As when we come back to the traditional methods, we have using the circuit breakers, isolators and all, and then there will be the improper communication, because we will sit in the room control panel room, then how we will know about what's happening there in the yard at the insulators or the circuit breakers. We do not know, and sometimes it may take much more time for us to know, so that we can overcome that by using the smart technology. Here we have seen that we are having the LANs and the WANs, local area network and the wide area network, and then through the Ethernets by using the technology we are connecting over all those things and can overcome the disadvantages that we are having, through which we can increase the efficiency and also overcome the problems which we are having. For example, if we don't, when it comes to the traditional methods, we may not have the power. If any disturbance occurs, then there will be the disturbances in the power. We may not have the power, and there will be the power cuts for the more time, so that our works will get disturbed. But when we go to the modern technology, then we can have the connection and we can know whatever is happening over there, so that we can overcome it very fastly and quickly.